This is how to do the third question on homework 4, part 1. It's the GRE score question. I'm going to do it with Excel. If you'd like to see it done with the z-score table, we can do that too. Anyway, so the mean score for the verbal part of the GRE was 151. The standard deviation is 7. We need to figure out the percent of students who, let's see, the score for the student who did worse than 70% of their peers. If you do worse than 70% of your peers, that means you are actually in the 30th percentile. So to rephrase this, we want to find the 30th percentile. We can do this with the inverse normal function in Excel. So if I go over here and type inverse, oops, just kidding. If I type normal, go down to normal INV, double click on that. It takes the probability, so that wants to be 30%. It takes a mean, which would be 151, and it takes standard deviation, which would be 7. So we'll do 0.30 for 30. I'll click up here for my mean, just in case I want to change it for a different problem. And then I'll click right here for my standard deviation. Hit enter, and it turns out that score for the student who did worse than 70% of their peers is 147.329 or 147.33. All right, thanks. I'll attach this Excel file to the forum. If you have more questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.